Happy holidays everyone! Yan nga pala, ang Christmas decoration ng SM is Ortigas dito sa Cainta. Meron silang tall Christmas tree and perfect Christmas. That's their theme for this year. So, marami pong pumunta dyan para magpa-picture dahil sa napakaganda nilang Christmas display. Happy holidays everyone! Enjoy your Christmas po. Stay healthy. Take care everyone. Thanks for watching.